Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Turkey and hamburger together. It's turkey sausage actually. But when I tried to do it, tried to mix it up with my hands, it was sticky. I mean, really sticky. So I washed my hands off because I couldn't get a patty to form. It just wasn't working. Washed my hands, took a little bit of Pam, sprayed it on one hand, rubbed my hands together. I was able to put the burgers together, no problem at all. So, quick little tip, make life easier for you. There's always some of the, because I buy 3 pounds of hamburger at a time, and you know, nobody eats 3 pounds of hamburger in a go. Well, at least we don't. So I end up putting it in a bag and putting it in the freezer. Rather than putting it in a big lump, I flatten it out. I put it in the bag and then I take my hand and just smash it out flat. That way when I go to thaw it, it thaws a lot quicker. Now another thing I do when I'm cooking burgers, I like to put them on aluminum foil, at least in the beginning, because I have a grate type grill. Works fine. I mean, it's nice. It lets the juices down in so that they burn on the burners and makes that nice smoke that you get inside there, makes the hamburgers taste better. But if you put a burger on there, the darn thing falls through. It sticks. Once you get a little char on it, then it doesn't stick anymore, but up until then, it's a problem. So I carry it out on a piece of aluminum foil. I put the cheese underneath the foil. That way I keep the cheese off the burger until it's time. Then I let the burger sit on top of the grill and cook. When the bottom has gotten cooked a little bit, I can slide the spatula between the burger and the aluminum foil, flip it over, and then as soon as it's charred on both sides, I can put it on the grill itself, cook it like regular. Works every time. I used to fight like the dickens trying to get that hamburger to come off the grill in one piece. No more. Now, I got a little bit of cook on there. Flip it over. Gator, I know you like your smash burgers. They sound really good, but we go for fat ones. Okay, bottom is done. Top, flip it over like that, and you see the juice is coming out clear. That tells me it's done. Now everybody does theirs different. I'm sure you've all got ways to do it. I like to put the cheese on. Let it melt down into the burger. This one's stuck to the plate a little bit. There. Now, by the time that cheese is melted into the burger is done. Now that's a Sneelock burger. Half turkey sausage, half 80-20 hamburger. Ground chuck. Ground chuck's good stuff. Turn off the grill. Always want to make sure and do that. I have been known, not very much, but I have been known to leave the grill on overnight and come out and find the tank empty in the morning. Don't want to do that.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.